With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, our question is the resistor in which the maximum heat will be produced is, and we are given a circuit. So we have to find which resistance will produce the maximum heat. So the heat is given by V square by R, where V represent potential across the resistance, okay, and R represent the value of resistance, so we don't have to specify that. But so if we see here in the formula, R is in denominator. That means if the R value will be small, then heat will be high or amount of heat will be large, and if the R is greater, then amount of heat will be smaller and compared to the other resistance. So if we talk about our first part of circuit, suppose this is our first part of circuit and this is our second part of circuit. So the potential across these three resistors will be same in the first part. So the resistor have smallest value will have the maximum heat. So the smallest resistor in the first part is 2 ohm. So if the first part have high potential, that means then 2 ohm resistance will produce maximum heat. And if the second part have high resistor, then 4 ohm resistance will have the tendency to dissipate more heat. Now we have to find which of the two have high voltage. So for the first part, whether for the first part or either for the second part, so we have to find the current through the whole circuit. So we have to find the R equivalent for this whole part, or we can say this whole area. So 3 ohm and 6 ohm are in parallel, so it will be 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6, so it will be 18 by 9, so it will be 2. So R equivalent across these two resistors will be 2, and 2 and 2 will be in parallel, so it will be 1 ohm. So I am writing here like it will be 1 ohm, and it is connected by two resistors, one of 5 ohm and another of 4 ohm. We have basically find the value of what this part, which is first part, we have named it. So this is connected to a voltage source of V voltage. Now this is our circuit. This is voltage V and this is 4 ohm. Now we have to find the R equivalent for this part. So it will be 5 into 4 divided by 5 plus 4. So suppose this is R dash. So R dash will be 5 into 4 divided by 5 plus 4. So its value will be 20 by 9. Okay. And it is in series with 1 ohm. So our complete R, suppose this is our R. So it will be R. So our R will be how much? 1 plus 20 by 9. So it will be 9 plus 20, which is 29 by 9 ohms. Okay. And voltage source have voltage V. So from Ohm's law, we can find current. So we know that V is equal to IR from Ohm's law. So I will be equal to V by R. So V is V and R is 29 by 9. So it will be 29 by 9. So this is the current through the circuit. Now we have to find the current through 1 ohm resistor. So current through 1 ohm resistor is 9V by 29. So voltage will be V through 1 ohm. It will be how much? It will be 9V by 29 only. Okay. And through the other part, so V through R dash, it will be how much? It will be V minus 9 by 29V. So it will be equal to how much? 20 by 29V. So the VR dash has large value than V1 ohm. So I am writing here VR dash is greater than V1 ohm. That means this part have high potential difference than this part. So this is our part 1, and this is our part 2. So I am writing part 2. So part 2 will have high potential difference. That means V for part 2 will be greater. Okay, and then if the part 2 have high voltage, that means 4 ohm will emit maximum heat. So thus 4 ohm resistor will emit maximum heat. Okay, so this is our question and our correct answer will be D. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.